What's going on, boaters? We just got in a fresh new trade, a 2019 Barletta E24QSS 2-tube. This is going to be the perfect pontoon for you and your family. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you have your 2 couches, lots of room to sit out, bring the family and friends for a full day on the water. You're going to have lots of in-seat storage, even have your removable cup holders so you can keep them up front or move them to the back of the boat. You are going to have your pop-up table here, also doubles as dog shade, so those dogs can come aboard, stay out of the sun. You even have your doggy dish that is standard in all Barlettas. This boat only has 92 hours on it, so it still has a lot of life left in it. In the back here, you are going to have your 2 couches, more room for the family and friends. And then you are going to have your sports stern, so lots of room back here for when you're doing swimming, jumping into the water. You are going to have your transom speakers as well, and it is powered by a Mercury 150. So you're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax in Crosslake or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you out on the water yet this summer.